Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for June the 18th, no? And June the 20th reading. So Capricorn, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions or i-check ang ibang reading, nandun po yan sa kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? So Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Capricorn, ang nakikita ko dito, no, more of merong gustong simulan uli, no? This could be an ex or current pa naman, pero meron kayong mga hidwaan, merong mga sabihin natin hindi pagkakaintindihan, hindi kayo masyadong nag-uusap, pwedeng naka-block, may tampuhan. What I am seeing in here is merong mga pangako ditong hindi ko na uulitin, aayusin ko na yung buhay ko, aayusin ko na itong relasyon natin. I feel like seryoso naman itong mga sinasabi nito kasi with the building blocks in here, parang hindi ito abrupt yung gagawin natin, hindi ito madalian. If you can give me a chance, to change while I am changing, I want you to be there, para makita mo yung progress and para ma-also guide din ako, sa mga bagay-bagay. With the 10 of Wands, the 9 of Wands, and the 9 of Cups. So, believe it or not, I think that your person here is really serious when it comes to the promise. Nakikita ko dito, yes, maraming chances or maraming bagay, maraming times, yung tao is, siguro meron na rin siyang mga failed promises or broken promises na nagawa. With the 10 of Wands in here, nakikita ko na parang ang hirap na, Ang hirap ng paniwalaan. Pero I think that this would be the last chance that this person is going to ask from you, Nakikita ko dito meron din siguro ititigil niya na ang pag-inom, ititigil niya na ang pagbabarkada, with the 9 of Wands. So, nakikita ko dito more of bibigyan kanya ng attention, affection, and love. With the King of Wands and the King of Swords, I feel like meron naman talagang mga realization lately na itong pagbabarkada is hindi nakakatulong, sa relasyon. I think that your person would love to, with the King of Wands, mas gusto niya ng kausap ka, kasama ka. I think meron na rin siyang mga taong ibablock, when it comes to, kung ayaw mong kaibigan ko, that's okay, that's fine with me. Huwag ka lang lumayo, With the Death card and the 9 of Swords, I feel like hindi niya alam kung paano kanya mapapapaniwala. Kasi, again, maraming times na rin siyang binigo ikaw, With the Ace of Swords and the Ace of Wands, what I am seeing in here is lately, dahil dito sa separations na to, whether it is physical or energetic separation, doon niya na-realize na dapat pala, mas binibigyan ko ng halaga si Capricorn. Dapat pala mas pinagtutuunan ko ng pansin. Ngayon nagkaroon ng separation para ako na nababaliw, nauulol, na hindi ko maintindihan, laging ikaw yung nasa isip, ng person na ito. With the Tower and the Queen of Cups. So, alam naman nitong taong ito, with the 6 of Wands, clarified, we clarified the Tower with the 6 of Wands and the Knight of Swords. So, alam na niya na medyo nagkukulang siya, when it comes to sabihin natin pagbibigay sa'yo ng abundance. Abundance may mean literally money. Abundance may also mean, abundance is vague, napaka lawak niya. And it may differ from each and every person. Again, abundance may mean money, abundance may mean time, energy, effort, love, passion, no? With the star, I feel like yung person mo is going to place you in a pedestal. No, kumbaga your wish is my command. Ano bang gusto mo pang gawin ko apart from bigyan ka ng time, ng energy, ng effort, apart from mag-block ako ng mga tao. Tell me what you wanted or tell me what you want. Um, I am going to slowly do that. I'm not going to promise you the moon and the stars right off the bat. Hindi ko maibibigay lahat, pero gagawin ko unti-unti, no? So makikita mo talaga ang effort, no, nito ni person. Makikita mo yung mga small changes, whether it is small or big changes. Makikita mo yung parang dati kasi sabihin natin na nag namamalimos ka pa, no? Ng ng time, namamalimos ka pa ng love, namamalimos ka pa ng sabihin natin ang konting oras. Pero ngayon, more of magiging generous na siya. More of dahil nga sa nangyari, magiging hindi naman sunod-sunuran, no? Mas bibigay niya lahat yung mga hindi niya naibigay dati. Ayan. So, Capricorn, this is your reading. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus. I'm seeing Leo. I am seeing Aquarius, Pisces, Sagittarius, Scorpio. Did I just mention Pisces? Yes. Cancer is also here. Yeah, so this is your reading. Yeah, Capricorn. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions at doon po sa kabilang reading, no, or i-check yung ibang reading sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV. Kung gusto niyo po magtanong, dito po sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung feeling niyo hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, meron po dong link. Either you need to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng instructions, even how to make a payment and the payment method. Take advantage of the promotion of 4 questions plus 1. And if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box, nandun din po sa website, no? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste and see you sa next live or next reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see